Hello everyone. I put my headband back on. My liner, and then I have flip-flops on for the evening. I'm gonna be here soon, shortly. I just called her. She probably took a nap or something. She wasn't answering. They're black with I have other ones, but they're like teal. I have the same shorts on. Not the same shorts, but different shorts. Black and white. And then this it sent me, and then my Ski Go sweatshirt. Put my headband back on with like a little ponytail because I had my hair up all day, down all day. I can't sleep with this because it got soaking wet by the parade. I'll sit in there. I'll have to show it this afternoon. Bringing my purse. I can show you what I have. I have a green Mountain Dew chair. I can show you guys that too. They have 4th of July ones, but this is my chair. I take every year. Go with them every year. Bring my purse, of course. Wearing my red. Might buy a different color for next year. My JoJo bag, bug spray. And my candy from the parade. And then I got my mozzarella sticks that are like in like a Cheeto kind of. I don't really feel like I gotta go. They're just pulling up. Bye.